Your goal today is to be able to tell time to the hour and to be able to tell the basic parts of the clock. So let's just take a look at our clock first. You'll see these big numbers going around the clock. Those represent the hours of the day. There are 24 hours in the day, so that means with 12 numbers, our hour hand goes around 2 whole times every day. Now, the other thing that you need to know about the clock is that these big numbers are the hours, but you need to know that these little blue dots represent each minute in an hour. There are 60 of them. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, if I counted every single one of those dots, it would add up to 60. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now, this tall blue hand, it's the minute hand. It counts those blue marks. And it moves. This shorter hand is the hour hand. It's red because it's pointing to our big hour numbers. So when I move this minute hand around the clock, we're counting these minutes. 30 minutes have gone by. And it keeps on going, keeps on going. 45 minutes have gone by. Look at what's happening with this red hour hand. It's getting closer and closer and closer to the next hour. Now we say that the time is 1 o'clock. When the minute hand points straight up at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing to the number, we say that that time is 1 o'clock. Now, our time keeps on going. So this minute hand doesn't stop there. It's 1 o'clock, but it is going to keep on going. Keep on going around the clock. And look at this hour hand. The hour hand is moving slowly to the next hour, which will be 2 o'clock. It's getting closer. It's not there yet. We're still in the 1 o'clock hour. And even though this red hour hand is pointing close to the 2, we're not there yet because our blue minute hand hasn't gone all the way around. And now it's really close. And now what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. What if the time keeps on going? Around and around and around, 60 more minutes. When it gets all the way around, there we go. Another hour has passed, 60 minutes. What time is it now? It is, look at the hour hand, 3 o'clock. I bet you will be able to tell what time it is now. Look at the hour hand. Short hour hand pointing to the 4. The minute hand is straight up. It is 4 o'clock. Now, the other thing that you will want to know is how do we write that? So we're going to go over to the whiteboard here, and I'm going to show you how you would write this time in a digital format. This is what you might see on your alarm clock or on your phone. This is the hour pointing to the 4, and we say these zeros are the minutes because it's pointing straight up at the 60. We actually don't write 60. When we get back up to the top of the clock, after 60 minutes have passed, we start over with the new hour, so we write it as 00. Now, what time do you think it is right now? Say that answer in your head. Did you say this time? 5 o'clock. If you did, you are correct. Let's see what time it is now. Now what time is it? Our hour hand is pointing to the 6 and our minute hand is pointing straight up. Let's see if you get it. It is 6 o'clock. Good job. Now I'm going to go past. I'm going to give you a different one. Tell me, what time is it now? Look at the hour hand. Here's where the minute hand is pointing. You are correct. I hope you said 9 o'clock. What time is it now? Did you say 11 o'clock? If you did, you're right. Last one. Don't let this trick you. Uh-oh, you can't see the hour hand. It's behind the minute hand. Don't let this trick you. Where is that hour hand pointing? Think about what time it is now on the clock. Did you say 12 o'clock? If you did, you are right. All right. Today we learned that the red numbers are the hours. We learned that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and these blue dots are each minute. If you noticed, when we get to each hour mark, it starts counting by 5s. We'll use that in our next lesson. We learned that the long hand is called the minute hand and that it counts each one of these minute marks. We learned that our short hand is the hour hand and it's pointing to these big hours around the clock. You did a lot of learning today. Now it's time to check and see if you can do it on your own. Good luck on the quiz. If you need help, I will help you.